Hey folks, Tony Chambers here, your friendly neighborhood behavior analyst. Here to talk to you today about how to use a toaster. Let's dive in. So let's talk about the parts of a toaster. Here's mine. Yours might look a little different, but most of the settings should be about the same. So first, mine have these settings on the side I can use for toasting, frozen things, or even making a bagel or keeping something warm. Everybody usually has what's called a warming knob, and that's just how toasty do you want your toast. And last, we have our lever. You push that down and that turns on the toaster. Again, push all the way down, wait till it clicks. Mine has a little light on it, yours may or may not. Another way you can tell if it's on is after you push it down, you'll see your food in there and you'll see the inside start to turn red. But don't touch, very, very hot. All right, let's dive in and make some toast. I'll show you 3 different ways today. First, bread toast. Let's go ahead and grab that. Pick up your toast. If it has a rounded top or some seeds or toppings on it, you want to make sure that faces up. You put that in the toaster. Make sure your warming knob is set. Feel free to put a visual marker on there if it makes it easier for you. And then push down on the lever until it clicks or stops. And then we wait. And you know when it's done when it pops up. There it is. Now be careful, it's hot. Take it out of the toaster, and there you go. One of the easiest things that you can make. Now, how about we try frozen waffles? Definitely a favorite in my house. Again, you'll take your waffles, put them in just like you did your toaster. If you have a frozen setting, you may want to set that. Otherwise, set your warming knob, push down your lever, just like before, and we wait for the pop. There it is. They're all done. All right. Again, be careful. Sometimes you can lift up on the knob and makes it easier to get. And one of my absolute favorites is bagels. Again, anything that says you can cook it in a toaster, put it on in, push that lever down, and wait. There it is. Now it's popped, you can take them out. After that, you can add whatever toppings you want. You can try peanut butter or jelly or both. Add your favorite butter or syrup to your waffles. We like to use honey in my house. Little extra. Then of course, you can add some cream cheese, or if I like to, I also like to add some everything seasoning to it. And you have a delicious snack or meal. And that's how you use a toaster. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to get a hold of me. Take care.